Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Explorer hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle. It's typically on the driver's side, often found near the lower left dashboard, below the steering wheel. This lever is usually marked with a clear icon showing a car with its hood open. Give it a firm pull to release the primary latch. Once you've pulled the interior lever, head to the front of your Explorer. You'll need to locate the secondary safety latch. Reach into the gap at the front center of the hood, just above the grille. Feel around for a small lever or tab. This is a safety mechanism designed to prevent accidental opening. Push or pull this lever to fully release the hood. With both latches disengaged, you can now gently lift the hood. It should open smoothly upwards, revealing your engine compartment. Next, locate the prop rod. This is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Carefully remove it from its clip and insert the end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This ensures the hood stays securely open while you work. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its support hole and reclip it securely under the hood. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 12 to 18 inches from fully closing. Let it drop the remaining distance. This allows the weight of the hood to engage the primary latch. Always double-check by gently trying to lift the hood to ensure it's fully latched and secure before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.